Two of the main products used in fire restoration are the Fire Restore and the Fire Fix. The Fire Restore is primarily used on hard surfaces, both indoor and outdoor, for your walls, floors, exterior brickwork and so on. Quite safe to use on paint. The Fire Fix, however, is mostly to be used on carpets and fabrics. The Fire Fix can be used quite safely on your furniture, timber, also carpets. The Fire Fix can also be used as a carpet pre-spray. The Fire Fix is generally used at a dilution of 1:20, while the Fire Restore, where it's been used in a situation like a kitchen fire where there's a lot of grease and fats, heavy load cleaning to be done, is advised to use at a dilution of about 1:10. We're using it generally throughout the house, for other mostly smoke and fire damage. A 1:20 solution is best used for the Fire Restore. Care should be taken not to dilute it or make it very strong, as in like a 1:2 or 1:5 solution. This can create a lot of smearing and difficult residue to remove. One good feature about the Fire Restore is that it's and the Fire Fix is that they both incorporate technology which actually reverses the charge of the smoke and soot particles, which helps to repel them from the surface, and this is what gives you very effective cleaning. The Fire Restore is also a very good grease cutting product, generally used a lot for general grease and grime removing, so it's an excellent product, especially when using it in kitchen fires. Now the OxyBoost Plus is a product which is really good when it comes to getting rid of staining and malodors. The OxyBoost Plus is easily added, must be added to your solution of either the Fire Restore or the Fire Fix. It's normally added at 1 scoop, which is 30 grams, per 1 litre of solution ready to use, and that's best used with hot water. The hot water both enables the OxyBoost to dissolve nice and quickly, but it also helps to activate it. The solution, once it's made, should be used within an hour, as the OxyBoost will deteriorate. So the OxyBoost is basically an oxygen release agent which helps to boost the product that's added to it. The other feature product that we have here is the System 7 pad. You'll normally receive the pad and it looks like that shape. We strongly advise that you cut it in half. The pad is very effective on both firework and mold. The pad fits nicely into the palm of your hand like this. It enables you to use a good bit of pressure, and this is the side of the pad that is used. The pad is best used by dipping it into your solution and then rubbing it on the wall. When squeezing the pad out, to ensure you lengthen the life of the pad, we advise you not to fold it up like that to squeeze it out, but to rather squeeze it in this sort of manner. The System 7 pads will give you great results when doing fire restoration. The demos on adding the OxyBoost and the use of the fire pad will be shown to you further in this video. Thank you.